Hey everybody, this is Jay, Chief Operating Officer of Graystone Investment Group, where you invest and we do the rest. So the question's always asked, why invest in real estate, not the stock market, not crypto? And obviously you want to be diversified as much as you can. But I wanted to talk to you today about some of the tax benefits that you also get when you invest in real estate. So these are going to help you maximize your profits while minimizing your liabilities. So the first one is that you get to deduct your interest that you're spending on your mortgage against your taxable income. This could really add up, especially if you own more than one property and you've got a portfolio of properties. You are deducting the interest from each one of those that you have against your income, which is going to lower your taxes significantly. The second thing for you to consider is that the IRS allows you to claim depreciation for wear and tear. The third thing, which is a big one as well, is your expenses. So you can also write off expenses such as property management expenses, maintenance costs, property insurance, property taxes, all of those things. You're going to want to make sure to have good records and good ledgers so everything is legit, but these are big benefits for you. Also think about things like the 1031 exchange. If you're selling properties that are investment properties, you can do a 1031 exchange, which defers the capital gains on that property as long as you take that income and use it to purchase other investment properties. And then lastly, think about the type of account you're investing from. So things like your self-directed IRAs, your solo 401ks, they offer huge benefits. Some of them are tax deferred on the growth. Some of them are tax free on the growth. So again, remember with real estate investing, yes, you're going to make passive income. You're going to make that monthly cash flow. You're going to get the appreciation from your house. But the third big win is these tax benefits that I want to make sure you're taking advantage of. Again, thanks so much for listening. This is Jay, Chief Operating Officer with Graystone Investment Group, where you invest, we do the rest. Look forward to talking to you soon.